Category: disability, inclusion and accessibility. It is being presented by Samarth by Hyundai, India's first purpose marketing initiative by an automobile brand which is aimed at enhancing accessibility for people with disabilities at scale.
Samarth by Hyundai envisions a barrier-free India. Launched in 2023, it works to change mindsets, foster inclusive mobility, and promote accessibility solutions, all under the larger vision of progress for humanity.
May we please invite on stage Shri Dipesh Dadich. He is the General Manager and Domain Head of Brand Media Strategy and PR at Hyundai Motor India Limited to present this award. Let's meet the nominees till then.
In the category of Disability, Inclusion and Accessibility, the nominees are Raghu Narsingasa Hubballi, a transformative leader from Ilkal, Karnataka, founded Asha Deepa to champion inclusivity for children with disabilities. His groundbreaking early intervention project uplifts 65% success rate and igniting community empowerment through advocacy and resilience. Mahendra Bhai Jash Bhai Parmar. Mahendra Bhai Jash Bhai Parmar, a dedicated social worker from Gujarat, founded residential centers in Junagadh, Vadodara and Verawal, transforming the lives of over 100 people with disabilities annually. His initiatives distribute 265 assistive aids and support 145 families, fostering dignity, respect and hope. Dr. Rani Avasthi, founder of a pioneering deaf and mute school in Ayodhya, has dedicated her life to empowering disabled children since 1981. Her integrated education model, which has earned multiple prestigious awards, promotes respectability and resilience, impacting countless lives.
And the Times Now Amazing Indians Awards 2025 in this category is Raghu Narsingasa Hubballi. Please, a huge round of applause for our winner.
Big round of applause for the man who's done so much, especially in the area, of not just fighting disabilities but making significant changes and helping those who have found it easier now with his help to make a living. In fact, he's born in Ikkal in Karnataka into a family of 7 children. Raghu faced immense hardships. His mother suffered from leprosy and he himself contracted polio. With no inclusive infrastructure, he was forced to beg as a child. He missed formal education and until he enrolled in night school, he still, despite all the odds, managed to complete the 7th grade. Big round of applause for this inspirational journey that he has led.
In 2004, he founded Asha Deepa, which today impacts 3,400 lives annually through initiatives such as early intervention services to prevent childhood disability and address developmental delays in children up to 10 years old.
Many, many congratulations, Shri Raghu Narsingha Hubballi ji. Big round of applause. These are the stories which really inspire and build India. And we'd also like to take the chance to thank Shri Dipesh Dadich ji. Thank you so much for joining us.